Hello everyone, today in this video we will calculate the size of the column. So let us consider here the load acting on the column is 1650 kilonewtons. So factor load is that by multiplication of 1.5 as a factor of safety we can find as factor load. So 1.5 into actual load is 1650 kilonewtons. So we will get 2475 kilonewtons. So as per IS code, factor load equals to 0.4 FCK into AC plus 0.87 FI into ASC. So here the factor load is 2475 into 10 cube newtons equals to 0.4 into FCK is nothing but characteristic compressive strength. So here we consider M30 grade. So 30 we will take into AC plus 0.87 into FI is nothing but yield strength, which is 415 Newton per mm square into ASC nothing but sectional area of steel. Here for columns 1.5% we will take. So 1.5% of AC. So nothing but 0.015 AC. So after doing this calculation, we will get area of column equals to 1,53,051 mm square. So if we are designing this as a square column, so both L equals to B will be the same. So AC equals to L into B, which is L square. L equals to B. So L square equals to this will be happen. So 1,53,051 will be there. So L equals to under root of 153,051. So L equals to we will get 391.21 mm. So by rounding off we can consider or we can design the column as 400 mm by 400 mm. So if you all like this video, please follow, like, share and subscribe to this channel.